Good morning. We're on our way to Yunque Rainforest. We had a last minute change of plans due to the hurricane. The hike that we wanted to go on, La Minas, is not open. But we're going to hike another trail,
La Coca,
called La Coca, and apparently it's a hidden gem.
Bye, San Juan. Into like a tiny little village. There was little signs that said to El Yunque, and I'm guessing those mountains you see up ahead is where we're going to be hiking. Are you excited?
Yes. We're at the trailhead.
Yay! So we're gonna be hiking La Coca Trail. We had a beautiful drive into La Yunque National Park to begin with. So I have a feeling this trail is gonna be absolutely stunning.
We're gonna head that way where the trailhead is and take a picture of the map. We're gonna have to cross 3 rivers and eventually get to this like secluded
Waterfall.
swimming. Is it waterfall?
Waterfall, swimming hole.
Whatever, we'll see.
Let's go. Where are we?
We are here. So the La Coca Trail goes through this way and down.
All right, this is apparently a difficult trail. Hopefully we don't die.
Speaking of which, before we left on this, I texted my brother and told him our expected time of arrival at the hotel. Travel tip, especially when you're going to do something like this, always tell someone so that if you do get lost and you don't have cell phone signal, someone will send help. Whew. So we started the hike not 5 minutes ago, and the descent is already pretty rough. It's definitely unkempt, but it's beautiful. There's no one around. You're completely surrounded in the rainforest. And there's Tia again trying to come down that was actually a really big drop.
All right, another travel tip. We actually wore our water shoes instead of our runners for this hike because we read online that the trail itself is quite rocky and muddy, and there's some areas where you have to go through water. So instead of having to, you know, carry shoes and change in and out of them, we just wore our water shoes for the entire hike, and so far they're proving to be fantastic.
Yeah, they're very form-fitting, so it's almost as if you're walking on barefoot. Alright, our first river crossing. This is kind of the first leg we just finished. Took about 25-30 minutes. How are you doing, Tia?
Good.
And now we have to go and pick up the trail right over there. We just saw the end of trail post, meaning our destination is literally steps away. So the end of the trail, We fell 4 or 5 times. Camera got dinged up a little. May have gotten stung by poison ivy. And this is what we see. Hey, so we're at the end of the hike. The last bit is uphill. It's pretty challenging. We had to put the camera away because there was actually a tropical rain in the rainforest while we were hiking out, and we didn't want everything to get wet. However, we kind of did drop the phones into the river.
My phone.
Yes.
It was my phone. But that's okay. Hopefully it still works.
It was working and we turned it off. So we'll let it dry out before we try to turn it back on again.
We made it back. Where does this say? Oh my god. Very difficult and rugged trail. Know your limits. 6 kilometers round trip. And we did it.
How does it feel to do a very difficult trail?
Very accomplishing actually. Apart from the fact that I feel like I'm gonna die.